Alright guys, so we're just getting ready to go up the mountain really quick. Gonna do an unboxing of these new Sport RX goggles. Chris, you wanna do the honors? We've gotten a tip that these are the Dragon goggles, so super excited to try them out.
Wow, it's Dragon, alright.
Alright, we're each gonna make our pick for the day. Chris?
NFX 2.
Going for the NFX. TJ's goggles. Woo! Thanks Sport RX for the new goggles. We're gonna test these guys out, give you guys some feedback. Also put links to these goggles in the description if you guys wanna check them out for yourself. How you like those goggles, Chris?
They look great. Check this out. Ooh, it's so freeing.
It looks...
I feel weird.
It looks kind of funny. Our goal for today is to find some powder. We got 8 centimeters last night, 18 centimeters in the last 48 hours. There's definitely some snow in the trees, but we may hike up higher and yeah, find an alpine powder run. Test out these boards. It's about 20 minutes up to our destination, and I think it's gonna really pay off with the powder. We both got our powder boards ready to go.
Oh yeah.
Chris is on the Storm Chaser for the first day. Let's do it, man! We got a real mix up here of powder and wind-swept crust. So it's keeping us on our toes, keeping us a bit cautious, but those powder pockets are feeling awesome. Yeah, it's really good here. Really good. That was insane.
They call this a surf-inspired board. You get into those powder turns and you just lean in and you're just like floating sideways. First lap in the books on the new Jones with that short base. The slashes are so easy to do. You just whip it around. On the pops with the fat nose, you can feel it just landing right on top of it because it's so wide and just taking off. But for sure the best bit was those big powder turns. It's got such a surfy feel. You can lean way back into it and you get so much awesome pressure and feedback through the board. Woo! Round 2. Yeah.
look. What's up, guys? So we're so tired, we're so starving. We just pulled up to our favorite sushi place, Samurai Sushi, the best veggie sushi in town.